This is a 52-inch Hampton-based Sailwind ceiling fan from March of 2004. This may be familiar to some of you guys. This was installed in the back porch on my neighbor's house. Yesterday my neighbors gave this to me for free. Everything came except the mounting bracket, but that's okay, I got spares. There's the globe. And there's the date. March of 2004. And the blades look like sails that you would see on a sailboat. That's why it's called the Sailwind. Anyways, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.